Hi, I'm John Thornton with the Pain Cure Clinic, where we teach people how to cure any stress-based illness. I cured myself many years ago of chronic pain, and you absolutely can as well. Anyone can, that's the truth, but after coaching over 500 people with chronic pain, we've discovered some very common traits that our successful clients all seem to have, and I want to share them with you today so that you can use them as well. Some of these traits are innate in some people, but can be adopted by anyone, including you. So if you've been struggling to cure your TMS, listen up. Let's go over the top 5 traits of people who cure themselves of TMS, usually very quickly, and then move on to a pain-free life. Those who cure themselves have a super solid belief that the pain is emotional and not whatever diagnosis the doctors label them with. A wishy-washy belief system about TMS is a sure way not to get better. I see it happen over and over again. Now, you don't have to start with 100% belief, and most people don't. I didn't. But that is the goal. You eventually have to become sure. As a matter of fact, our free guide to curing any chronic illness is designed to make you sure, so you can stop second-guessing whether TMS is real. It is. And there's a link below to the free guide. Remember, belief is the foundation for success. Read 10 pages of a Dr. Sarno book every day for the next 90 days, even if you've already read them. That's what I did. Successful clients always seem to have a very healthy disbelief in the medical community. It doesn't really matter whether the best spine surgeon in New England has recommended back surgery. That doesn't impress me. There's most likely nothing wrong with your spine, and chances are he knows it. However, he's making $700,000 a year not to know it. And the pharmaceutical industry deserves even less trust. And chiropractors and physical therapists, nice people, but they never cure anyone either. Over the years, I've noticed that successful clients don't automatically trust someone just because they're wearing a white lab coat. And really, why would they? These guys are not getting the job done. Me personally, I've been a natural skeptic and questioned everything my whole life, even as a child, and I think that's why I got better so quickly. Nurture your inner skeptic. Get out a piece of paper and list all of the chronic health issues that you've had over the years. Then count up how many of those issues your doctors have actually cured permanently. Yeah, I'm guessing the number is 0. I've noticed that our successful clients always seem to embrace the challenge of curing themselves with excitement, anticipation, and visualization of a pain-free future. Those are the qualities that create TMS success stories every single day. Your mindset is key. It's not productive to hedge your bets and just see how it goes. And if you do just see how it goes, I can guarantee you one thing, it ain't gonna go well. Changing your mindset and your body takes a solid commitment to do so. Yes, it's gonna take some time, and yes, you're going to stumble, but in the end, yes, you will succeed. That's what I've seen the winners do. They're sure they can do it, they visualize a positive outcome, and they're excited about making it happen. And then, of course, they do the work. Spend 10 minutes every morning for 90 days visualizing doing the things you can't do now because of the chronic pain and chronic illness. Chances are by the end of those 90 days, you will be able to do those things. Another characteristic of successful clients is their natural tendency towards problem solving. This is key. As I said earlier, they visualize the goal and then they do the research, they find the help, and they do whatever is necessary to solve the problem. People who don't get better tend to have a lack of clarity. They tend to give up easily and live on support groups, complaining that journaling isn't working and that life isn't fair. Don't be one of those people. People who get better treat this as just another one of life's challenges, a problem that needs to be solved, and then they proceed to focus all their energy on solving it. So it's helpful to understand upfront that you will run into obstacles. Everyone does, that's normal. But even accounting for those obstacles, it shouldn't take you more than 90 days, or you're probably not doing something right. And you may need some help, but that's also perfectly normal. Create an action plan that includes real-life changes that will reduce stress that must be causing your pain. You'll also most likely need to increase your level of exercise in order to challenge the idea that your pain is structural. This stuff all works together. Chronic pain winners take total responsibility for their health, period. I wish things were different, but the only pathway to pain-free living usually does not include help from a doctor. Why? Well, of course, most doctors have no training in psychosomatic medicine. Now, there are several medical doctors out there who do treat TMS, and you can find a list of those doctors on our website at paincureclinic.us. However, most people cure themselves without a doctor. They take ownership and say, yes, it's just stress and I can do this myself. And you can do this. We hear from clients all the time who are getting better and curing themselves. And although it's not particularly easy, it's not that hard either. People who get better are just willing to make necessary changes, be uncomfortable for a little while, and they don't stop trying until the pain is gone. I did it, Laura did it, and we're not special. We're no different from you. Use daily positive affirmations to tell yourself that you can do this. This is just stress putting you in fight or flight and disrupting your body's normal homeostasis. And all you have to do is change your beliefs about the diagnosis, reduce your stress, and take responsibility. You absolutely have got this. Go for it. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments about this video, leave them below and I will respond to all of them. And hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos coming all the time. Thanks for watching.